Yeah, this is just a quick video just to show you a couple things. Right, now I did a search for screen recorder, as you can see. Now I found these results. First one being, look at this bullshit. Right, buy £22.86p a month. Now, just for comparison, for dollars, it's around $45 a month. Per month, people, come on, what the fuck? Just to record your desktop. Oh man, what a load of bullshit. I'll show you a decent alternative in a minute. Right, so another problem I had was Microsoft's got this bullshit software called Steps. You can do pretty much some sort of recording, but it's no good, it's crap. But they've not even called it screen recorder, that's how crap it is. They called it Steps. Now here's a tip for you, Microsoft. When you bring out software, name it something decent, something that means something that someone's going to search for, that may never know it's there, but when they search for it, it's there. You know, for example, make a decent screen recorder, call it screen recorder. Okay, call it what it is. Don't call it Steps, because Steps don't mean fuck all. You're going to look for Steps. No one records Steps. Anyway, so back to Adobe. Why are you charging £22.86p a month for fucking software just to record? You know, what are you charging per month for all your software? If you're going to charge for something, make it a one-off payment. That's how you get customers. That's how you make fucking business. That's how you make return customers and money. That's what it's all about, money. Right? Don't charge extortionate prices per month. You're bullshit. Another quick thing for Microsoft, right? Now Microsoft, right, take a leaf out of Steve Jobs' book. When he made a PC, right, or whatever you want to call them Apple Macs, he called it Lisa. Something nice and easy to remember. Just a tip, when you bring out this new Windows software, you've probably already released it by now or whatever, but it's a good idea when you're making artificial intelligence to call it something easily rememberable. Well, I can't remember your bullshit artificial intelligence. I know it looks good and stuff, but I wouldn't have a fucking clue how to find it. I can't remember what it's called. You need to think of how you name things. Make it simple and easy, like Lisa, like I was saying. Okay, Linux, take the leaf out of the same book as Steve Jobs as well, yeah? Don't name your Linux distros all these random stupid ass names. Call it something simple, something people can relate to and remember. Just a quick tip. You know, you're all in this together, right? The only thing that Adobe's got going for it is Captivate is a nice, simple, easy name. You're not going to forget that. Okay? Captivate may be a bullshit extortion racket that charges you every month, but forget that. The name of it's good. Okay, that's probably what makes them the money each month, because they called it something that people can remember. So learn from it, people, yeah? Call it something simple, make it simple to find and use. Okay, don't charge extortionate prices like Adobe, because they're buggy and vulnerable and bullshit anyway. But not only that, they're charging too much. That's why they're becoming a target. That's why they're getting fucking attacked. Alright, you need to all sort it out. I'll slap you all at the same time in one fucking video. I don't give a fuck. Fuck you all. Alright, and Linux, right? You need to sort out some shit. When I install your latest and greatest mate, 64-bit, 17.2, I'm thinking it's going to be the best thing that I've ever seen. And it's not. It's a load of bullshit. It's the exact same as all the others you've made, with a few extra bugs, a few extra good things as well, but it doesn't do the simplest things to what KDE can do. Now KDE pisses me off when it comes to sound recording, so I rely on Mate or whatever. I would say GNOME, but I've had issues with GNOME as well. It doesn't even log in GNOME for no reason at all. I've had to do weird fucking things just to get back into, the other one. I've had to disable my auto login. Very inconvenient. Now the reason why I bring this up, the problem is when I go to, say, drag a folder to another folder that may contain the same name, instead of it saying do you want to merge, giving me the option to replace or merge, cancel or whatever, you've not given me them options. All you've given me is cancel, replace, or replace and cancel. It's just bullshit. That's not really an option. Right, that's Windows XP bullshit. That's what they used to do. I use Windows 8 right? Because Windows 7 and 8 are the only decent ones. You know, Vista, I'm not going to count that bullshit, but it's the only one on 7 and 8 that I would use that has the replace option that says, you want to replace, or do you want to merge, do you want to skip, or do you want to cancel? Now these options that I've just said, the 4 options, need to be part of the start point of what the thinking when you're thinking about making an OS or an environment or whatever you want to call the fucking piece of shit. You need to make sure it's got them basic 4 options. Do you want to replace? Do you want to cancel? Do you want to just, you know, merge them all together? With, you know, because you might have the same folder name, but within the folder names you might have different files, so it's not going to be an option if it's going to replace particular files. But I don't want to replace the whole folder just because 2 folders need to be merged together and has the same name because of that, or whatever. You see where I'm coming from? You need to start thinking about your operating systems. So now I've bitch slapped Adobe, I've bitch slapped Microsoft, I've bitch slapped all of you, you know, Linux included. Now I'm going to show you some redress, some way that you can actually get something decent out of it. Right, now it's called BBF BEX5, right, which is Blueberry. So that's the one that I ended up using, what I'm using right now, and it's actually a really nice bit of software. So it's Blueberry, I can't even spell properly, it's not Blueberry screen recorder 3. This is what you need to get Blueberry. This, I think that might be it. BB flashback. Is it? I think this might be it. I found it a different way earlier, so BB software. Yeah, it's this one here. Right, you want to get this Blueberry software. I did try another one, but it was crap. I used this one, free forever. That's what you want. I recommend fully upgrading it if you need it, if you need to, for whatever reason. Don't crash on me for fuck's sake. Right, yeah, my mouse is gone. Function, fucking, where's my mouse button? F5. Yeah, I've got my mouse back. There's a problem with these laptops. Recently, the mouse stops. You'll be talking away or moving your mouse away and your mouse will just stop for no reason. You gotta push the function button, hold it down, and F5 on mine. Might be different on yours. But yeah, now I've shown you a way you can, you know, download this one, and as usual do a virus scan on all the downloads. I've done my AVG update and I tested it with this and it's fine, you know, it says it's clean. So you know, if I get any issues I'll obviously let everyone know, but this is a site you want to use. I'll end up putting this on YouTube and I'll supply this link as well for you. Okay.